Hi, my name is Colleen Vaughn, and I am from a university in St. Paul, Minnesota called St. Thomas University, and I'm part of a campus ministry program there called Vision. And I came to the Jamaica Volunteer Program through Vision. And while in Jamaica, I got to experience a couple different church services. Part of Vision is an aspect of spirituality, so it was really neat to be able to experience two different type of services. We went to a more Pentecostal church our first day in Jamaica, and that was really neat to see the way that they worshipped and the way that they danced and sang and just the way they did things here in Jamaica. And then we went to a Catholic service the next week, which was more similar to kind of what I'm used to, and nothing super different at either one. I've seen kind of both sides, but it was neat to see just how people worship God in America and in Jamaica, and that He's the same everywhere. Um, and I really enjoyed the experience of the spirituality here. It's definitely something that's integrated into everything that is done at the school we worked at, an orphanage, and just everywhere we went, God was really infused into everything, which is definitely something that I will take back and something that I cherish about the culture.